Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are keeping well at home and giving some time to your studies also and making the best use of the time given to you. Today we are going to read chapter number 3, The Old Man and His Sons, in your English Mulberry Post book. The story is about an old man who gives a wonderful lesson to his sons. So, before starting the lesson, let's do the exercise on page number 34. What do you say after you fight with someone? Thank you, sorry, or goodbye. Yes, you say sorry. Now, let us read and understand the story, and I want you all to pay attention and listen very carefully. An old man had 3 sons. They did not love one another. So once there was an old man, and how many sons did he have? He had 3 sons. But they did not love one another. They kept fighting all the time. This made the old man very sad. But they used to fight all the time, and because of this, the old man was very sad. One day, the old man called his sons. He brought a bundle of sticks. He said, "Here is a bundle of sticks. Break the bundle." So one day the old man brought a bundle of sticks. He called all his sons and he said, "Break the bundle." You all can see in the picture, no? The old man is having a bundle of sticks. Each of the sons tried to break the bundle, but they could not. Each of the sons took the bundle. They tried to break it, but they could not break it. Then the old man untied the bundle. Then what did the old man do? He untied the bundle. He gave one stick to each of his sons and said, "Try to break your sticks." Then what did he say? He gave one stick to each of his sons and said, "Now try to break your sticks." Now they broke their sticks very easily. The old man said, "My boys, you have seen that you cannot break the sticks when they are tied with a string. String means a thread. When the sons were not able to break the sticks, what did the old man said? He said that you cannot break the sticks when they are tied with a string, but you can break them when they are separated. This is the strength of unity. If you are united, nobody will be able to harm you. So do not fight with each other. We should never fight with each other. Try to live in peace, then you all will be happy. If we are together, no one can harm us. If we are together, we will always be happy. So what does this story teach us? This story teaches us that unity is strength. If we are together, no one can harm us. So we should always love one another and we should never fight with each other. Now what you have to do? You have to underline the difficult words. Listen carefully and underline the words in your book. The first word is fighting. 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 Then bundle, BUNDLE, bundle. Sticks, STICKS, sticks. Break, BREAK, break. Untied, UNTIED, untied. String, STRING, string. Separated, SEPARATED, separated. Strength, STRENGTH, strength. Unity, UNITY, unity. United, UNITED, united. Peace, PEACE, peace. Once again I am repeating all the words. Listen very carefully. Fighting. Number 2, bundle. Number 3, sticks. Number 4, break. Number 5, untied. Number 6, string. 7, separated. 8th, strength. 9th, unity. 10th, united. 11th, peace. Now what you have to do? You have to write all these hard words in your 3-in-1 notebook 2 times each, and you have to learn the spellings. Also, you have to try and read the lesson. Okay, now let me ask some questions. How many sons did the old man have? The old man had 3 sons. What could the sons not break? The sons were not able to break the bundle of sticks. What were they able to break easily? When the sticks were separated, they were able to break it very easily. In our next English 2 class, we will be doing some more exercises. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.